everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki sauce in 3 minutes. It's so easy. You never want to buy a bottle of teriyaki sauce after watching this video. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 3 tablespoons each of soy sauce, mirin, sake and sugar, and 1 tablespoon of potato starch or cornstarch. I know it's so much sugar, but don't even think about reducing the amount of it. That's the reason why you are so addicted to teriyaki sauce. Let's put everything other than the starch in one bowl. 3 tablespoons each of sugar, soy sauce, mirin, and sake, and also 3 tablespoons of water. And microwave this 2 minutes at 800 watts. Let's give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon of water into the bowl of starch and mix well. And add this starch water into the bowl of teriyaki sauce. The teriyaki sauce I'm making today is like a dipping sauce or sauce to put on top of something. If you want to make teriyaki sauce to cook with something, reduce the amount of this starch water or simply pass it. Add it to the bowl as you mix the sauce. Okay, back into the microwave. 30 seconds at 800 watts. Give it a mix. And teriyaki sauce is ready to go. You can adjust the consistency by adjusting the amount of starch water. If you want to make it thicker, add more starch water, and if you want to make it looser, add less starch water. You cannot make this ahead of time. It kind of separates and becomes soggy. But it's so easy, so just make it every time you need it. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!